my life one spring, swinging her doll in an old tire swing. She was just 10 and I had turned 13. A little bird fell from a tree. She gently picked it up and gave it to me. It tried to get away, but I held it much too tight. With her little girl plea, oh please set it free, she softly cried, let the little bird fly, let the little bird fly away, let it go. I've heard my mama say that if it returns, it will be yours forever. But if it should go and stay, it was never yours anyway. She flew into my heart and dreams, old enough now to try her new wings, eager for love and all that love could bring. Like the bird that fell from the tree, she gently gave her love and body to me. But love has to breathe, and I held on much too tight. She told me back then, and she said it again as she made her flight, let the